everyone, Umejiona here, and today I'm gonna be watching Alamat's new song, Hiraya, like new music video is what I'm watching, but the lyric visualizer came out first, so I'm gonna be watching that first, and then the music video. So yeah, we're gonna start with the lyric video. So excited. I miss Alamat so much, like, it's been a while. Anyway, visualizer first. In 3, 2, 1, go. So Hiraya's dream. Oh yeah, that makes sense. I like the aesthetic. It's very video okay. Yeah, I agree. It's kinda just parang weird na may biglang English though. Excited ako. May rap ba? Sana may rap! RG! Yeah, I don't know what to feel about the English just yet. Hindi lang ako masyadong sanay sa Alamat, no? At saka Hiraya Manawari part, like yung brain ko parang, yung, alam mo yun, Hiraya Manawari, right? Yo, let's go! Alas, sobrang pogi ni Alas these days. Parang sira. Like, bakit? Kuya, ba't ang pogi mo? So may exclamation point siya. Hiraya! Okay, I don't know what I was really expecting from the song. I saw, like, hindi ko narinig any, like, clips beforehand. I don't think so. Pero alam ko na may lyric siya na Hiraya Manawari. Tapos yung utak ko parang, Hiraya Manawari. You know, from the show. So parang, Hiraya Manawari. Parang, medyo awkward. Pero okay naman yung song itself. Pero, ewan ko kung na-miss ko lang talaga ng bongga-bongga yung, alam mo yung mga kanta ng Alamat na halo-halo yung language. Kasi that really sets them apart from like the other groups because they do that. Correct me if I'm wrong, maybe other groups are also doing that na may ibang language. But from my knowledge, yung Alamat talaga yung ganon, na consistent sila na naglalabas sa mga kanta na andun yung language ng mga members. And I really like that. Sobrang unique niya and sobrang interesting ng lyrics. But then, with this one, yung chorus niya it was literally just, ikaw ang aking hiraya. Na paulit-ulit lang siya. Which sounded good, but feeling ko siguro yung standards ko tumataas. Kasi I mean, ang galing ng alamat, diba? Tapos, parang, okay lang naman yung chorus niya. Pero, the lyrics itself, like, I only listened to it one time. Pero, ang lyrics was, ikaw ang hiraya ko, so ikaw ang dream, and you're my agimat, ikaw yung parang nagbibigay ng kalakasan sa akin, and then labi. That's what it was. And so, I was really excited when Alas's rap part came out, but then he was also saying the same lyrics, and I was kind of like, maganda yung pinili niya ng mga rhymes, pero medyo, parang repetitive na. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung I don't think this is gonna be the title track of their album. I know they're gonna release an album, right? Parang ito lang yung pre-release. So, I'm hoping like lahat nung hinihiling ko andun sa actual na title track nila when the album comes out. But I'm not saying the song is bad. Maybe it was just me na I expected so much more. Because like, I'm into lyrics, pero medyo okay lang yung lyrics for this one. Oh, kagad sa akin. But like, I'm just saying kung ano yung una kong impression sa kanta at sa lyrics. But yeah, I mean, the song is so good. Like, Mo, oh my gosh. But, okay. I'm gonna watch the music video. Okay, music video. 3, 2, 1, go! Hala! Sa pink? Oh yeah, Jawa's green hair. I totally forgot. They're so, tagto? Not bubblegum. Yung outfit nila. Cotton candy. Blue. Yung cool! Taneo. Yeah, yun pa. I mean, hindi ko meron naman sila ibang kanta na merong English na parts. Pero maybe it's just me. Oh, si Taneo pala tong part na to. See, but like I keep saying that. Pero like, it is catchy though. Pogi talaga rin Alas! Like, what the heck? Yung friend ko, Alas bias kasi siya. Tapos send ako ng mga pictures ni Alas sa kanya. Like, ba't ang pogi ni Alas? Uso ba yan? Yung hairstyle na, yung parang may nakataas na ganun, parang anime. Kasi gusto ko yung style na yan kay JL, pero like one time na, as in literal, isang nakaganon lang. Yung kanila mas marami. So I was just wondering kung it's a hairstyle, parang sikat. Ang ganda ng dance step. I'm assuming wala pa silang dance practice, no? Kasi maaga natin napanood. Lomo, golit na ako eh.
Manawari, ikaw ang bahagari, tanging naglalapat ng kulay sa aking mundo. Manawari, ikaw ang ilabi, isang halik mo'y babalik ang pangarap sa'yo. Hiraya, ikaw ang hiraya, ikaw ang hiraya, ikaw ang hiraya.
Kapag ba nakuha mo na yung tao na hiraya mo, hiraya pa rin ba siya o hindi na siya hiraya? Kasi na-achieve mo na siya eh. Hindi mo na siya kailangan habulin. Sorry. Ayun, I think same pa rin yung thoughts ko. The song is catchy in itself. Pero I just want more, you know? Maybe the song is good as it is, but I'm just wanting more. If I would have to say that positively or in a more positive light, siguro mas excited lang ako sa kung ano pang mga kanta ilalabas nila pag dumating na yung mismong album. Kasi pag album, di ba, parang at least 6 songs yung nandun. So, ayun. Feeling ko sobrang na-miss ko lang talaga yung sound ng Alamat. I mean, it's not that long ago. Siguro, yung Gupit, yun, nandito siya sa 5 months ago, yun lumabas. So, it wasn't that long ago. Pero, feeling ko sobrang na-miss ko talaga yung tunog nila. I do listen to Alamat still. Like, I still have the playlist. Pero, ewan. Siguro unfair judgment lang din kasi, syempre, dati, I was kind of like marathoning through all of their discography. So, parang, ang daming Alamat, parang ganun. Tapos biglang, nung naka-catch up na ako, wala na. Actually, hindi pa hot up kasi meron pala silang mga like yung sa Coke Studio, tapos kung ano-ano. Pero hindi ko parang napapanood. Pasensya na. Pero ayun nga, same pa rin yung feelings ko sa kanta. Siguro pag narinig ko siya more, I would like it more. But it is catchy. I mean, kawang iraya. Like, I can sing it right away, you know. That's the good thing about the chorus being repetitive. Then it sticks to your brain right away. Pero yun, same pa rin. I want more. Maybe I just want more. But yeah, let me know what you thought of this music video and the song down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!